Dude, there's nothing left. All right. Dang, that fender's screwed. Fender.
Where we're going,
Hold
we
that.
don't need fenders. Back the into the car into it. We can always pull it out. Crispy. Crispy.
I just put it in here and then move it
I want to try.
Yeah, I think it's pretty funny.
No reverse.
Duke's a hazard it.
I can't see the.
Yeah, you actually have to put it to the floor to get it. Dude. Probably not actually. It's hard to break off a mirror, dude. Really? Looks like we're destroying it. Jimmy started it. You gotta take his anger out. It still closes. Probably cut my hand. Dude,
That's a strong tail line.
Jimmy's in destructive mood or something. Hey, clean that up, dude. Big man, little car. Big man. We're all the way down to the first, then floor it. Not want to go anymore?
Try it.
No, no shift.
It's only a matter of time.
Get it? Yeah.
Hold on, let me get out.
You're throwing shards at him, probably. What's your deal? Get out.
Trying.
Door don't open. Metal hit or glass hit you?
Yeah.
God. There we go. Don't get.
Yeah, perfect.
Camera when you eat shit. Oh, no cussing.
That was too easy.
Ain't worth nothing.
Yeah, you're gonna. I figured your feet would come out.
That's why I tried landing up here. Right. Start it, Jimmy. Right. All right. Let's say Our final goodbyes to the old Festivia here. Damn, Max, really?
You're so strong.
That's ooh, look at that.
Got
A hornet.
Was it red?
Wasp nest?
It was red, wasn't it?
This is all sprayed.
Oh,
Spray painted.
Jimmy, we need that door to close for when it launches. It might, if you bend it right, it might close.
No, it's the latch.
It might like a wedge in there. Whatever. All right. You think that's the spot, Jimmy? Dude, we got to get this right. There you go.
Constant stream.
ATF full. Let me put that cap back on. Start her up. Ah, really? You don't have to sit in it, I guess. Just make sure your foot's on the brake.
This is sketchy. Yeah.
Wheel straight. No, that's the worst spot it could have fell.
Oh my god. Dude, look how it
Oh, where's my GoPro?
It's down there.
Oh, it sent it off.
That's a cool.
Oh, I don't know where the top one's at.
Damn, it killed it.
Oh, it's way there.
No, it
I think the strut broke. Our bulge aren't held up. Like, hey. Oh, it smells. Oh, there's glass everywhere.
Dude, it stinks so bad.
Use that coolant.
Dude, it actually went pretty quick.
Yeah.
I couldn't get down first. It was in dry.
Was it?
Yeah.
Dang, dude, this is a crash.
Dude, that worked out way better than I thought.
Radiator. Fella!
Think they heard the crash?
Oh, they watched it.
Did they?
Hey, fella! Slow down! They're looking down.
Are they?
Yeah, see him?
No. they
probably see Max's jacket.
They probably heard the crash, dude.
Look down! Power Shift Films!
They gotta see my jacket.
They'll be on there.
We'll be on there, whoever it is.
All right, boys, that was pretty cool. We didn't know if it was gonna hit the hole, but I think we got her. We got her. She hit the tree. She's pretty wrecked. Pretty wrecked. It's a really sad story. But hey, we're good to go. Oh yeah, you got it.
Jerk it. Huh?
Jerk it.
Hold on, let me get behind this tree before this thing snaps. That was a good one. Something out. Well, the Honda Pioneer probably won't run after this.
Hey, it won't come off now.
Wasn't there.
All right, Jimmy, get in and steer it.
Jerk it.
I don't think they're steering in it.
Jerk it. dirty rust.
Oh yeah.
Get your 12 valve, Biden. Get your 12 valve.
What is that?
I don't know. Those are awesome. Makes women's panties wet. Farm truck.
She's messed up. Oh, the tire's spinning, I told you.